Good morning. In this video, we are going to start with chapter 11 construction. First, let us see how to divide a given line segment in the given ratio. So for that, let us consider example 1. The question is, draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 3:2. Measure the two parts. So let us see how to construct this. So for this, first let us measure line segment of 8 centimeters. Okay, so all of you take your scale and draw exactly 8 centimeters. Okay, now this is our, let us make it A, B. Okay, now instead of making a big dot, it's better if you just draw a line so that we know which is the exact endpoint. Okay, now again using the scale, we are going to draw an acute angle at the point A. It can be any angle, you need not measure it. We are just randomly going to take an acute angle and draw the line from A. Let us extend it and we will call that X, the extension. Okay, so we are drawing ray AX over here. Now, our m is to n is 3 is to 2. That was the question. So, m plus n, that is 3 plus 2 is 5. So, now what we are going to do, let us take the compass. Okay, taking suitable length along the ray AX, we are going to make 5 arcs, m plus n arcs we have to make. So, 5. So, let us make it 1. And then we'll keep it over here. Make the second arc 2. Again 3. Same way we'll continue. 4. And finally it is 5. Okay. Now each we are going to name them as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. After this, we are going to join A5 to B. So let us take the scale and join A5 and B. Make sure you don't make any mistake when you're doing all this. If you're going to make even a little bit mistake, then your final answer will be wrong. Okay, so you have to be very careful in construction. Even a small millimeter mistake or a degree mistake will give you a wrong answer. Okay, so now we have joined A5 and B. Okay, now the ratio given to us was m is to n, which is 3 is to 2. That's why T plus 2, 5 arcs we have taken and we joined A5 and B. Now the first one, M is 3, isn't it? So from 3, we have to draw a line segment parallel to A5B. So first we have to draw a line parallel. So for that again we'll take the compass, place it in A5, okay, and take a radius smaller than your arcs. Fix it and draw the arc. Okay, now taking the same measurement at A3, because our M is 3, we are going to draw the arc over here also. Okay. Okay, so we have drawn a big arc, enough. Then the point where it is cutting, isn't it, the arc? We are going to take the measurement. So we have taken, lock it. Now we'll place it over here and make the same arc. Okay. Now let us join A3 and the arc. So it's a bit mistake. Okay, fine. Now I'll have perfect arc. Okay. Now this point where it is meeting, take it to be C. So now AC is to CB will be in the ratio 3 is to 2. So this is our final construction. Okay. Now the question says we have to measure it. So let us try to measure. It is 4.8 and 3.2. Okay. So we're having 4.8 and 3.2. Now, how are we going to check whether it is right or wrong? Total is 8 centimeter and it is divided into 3 is to 2, isn't it? So now, what do we have over here? AC is the length is what we have to find, isn't it? So AC by AB, the total we are going to take. Okay, so AC by AB will be equal to 3 divided by AB is the total. So it is 5. 3 by 5. Now we know that AB is 8 centimeter. So let us substitute that. AC divided by 8 is equal to 3 divided by 5. So when we cross multiply this, we will get AC is equal to 3 into 8 divided by 5. That is 24 divided by 5, which is 4.8 centimeter. So AC is 4.8 and BC will be 8 minus 4.8, which will be 3.2. So from this calculation also we have got that AC is supposed to be 4.8 and by measurement also we had got AC equal to 4.8. So therefore we have found the solution for this. So whenever you are using the construction, please make sure that you are having a sharp pencil. Use a separate pencil for drawing the line and for the compass. Okay, so use two pencils and always make sure to mark line to mark the endpoints. Don't make a big dot. It will give at least a millimeter difference. Okay, and make sure you have at least 2 centimeter length for cutting the arc, and then for making the smaller arc for the parallel lines you can take something smaller than 2 centimeter, probably about 1.5. In that case your arc will not get overlapped, so it will not confuse you whenever you're constructing something very long. Okay, And whenever you're writing construction, it is essential that you write the steps of construction and make sure not to make any small mistakes. If you do that, if you make any 1 degree difference over here, or your arc is not placed properly, then your final answer of AC will be wrong. Okay, so if that is wrong, then your construction is wrong. So we can give an error of plus or minus 1 centimeter. That is, if it is 4.8 is the right answer. So if you're getting 4.9 or 4.7, it can be considered. But more than that, the mark will be reduced for your final. Okay, so make sure not to make any small mistakes also. And in case if you're having mistake, erase the whole thing and draw again. In case if you are having mistake even the second time, then try not to draw on the same page again, because you will have compass marks and your pencil marks. So eventually how many whichever type you try, it will become wrong for you. So if you are getting the answer wrong more than 2 times, leave the page, start in a fresh page. In that case, you will be able to construct it correctly without any mistake. So we have few more construction to do. Exercise 11.1. Question number 1 is homework. The same way you have to continue, and you have to write the steps of construction also. The next topic will continue in the next video. Thank you.